Welcome back to our channel Box Office Release, and let's start the video now. Americans and American media appear to be all for the crook justice device because it performs a starring position in lots of TV shows, films and lives. First and last takes to observe the character of the middle of this device from some other factor. This is to discover why America creates 22% of the world's prisoners, moreover even as handiest having 4% of the world's overall population. The solid of first and last sorts significantly from season to season, however its capabilities, inmates of precise kinds, currently convicted inmates. This is who may be coming into prison for the primary time and inmates who are going to get released. First and Last is a completely unique docu-collection offering the lifestyles of jail inmates. You frequently see films and TV collections that concentrate on law enforcement officials and their heroism, but not First and Last. The collection highlights the lifestyles of the convicted human beings after they first enter the prison and the times they are released. First and Last targets at revealing the name, the truth behind the back of the bars, style of storytelling with inside the shape of documentary. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. Every episode is devoted to offering the primary or ultimate day of the inmates in jail, and you may be moved by a way of means of unexpected, insightful survey of the American criminal justice system the creators of this collection have carried out with the assistance of Gwinnett County Jail of Georgia. A very compelling situation at the collection are the inmates who are new to jail. They both grow to be talking walks, loose or doing time, which realize upon their emotional and complex alternatives that they are going to make over the route of the episode. The refrain of prisoners imparting their bits of advice, expertise and desire in the destiny in the finale is able to shifting you to tears. First and Last Season 1 premiered on September 7th of 2018, and all the 6 episodes of the primary season have been launched on this date. Netflix has neither showed nor denied the renewal for the collection for a second installment. However, we are anticipating a second season to come in 2022. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.